wrap up my final thoughts on the TKC Portico. It is a very good keyboard, very budget friendly at $134.99 USD. It is a very strong competitor to the NK65 entry edition. With all the included accessories such as the felt dampening mat and the silicone dampening mat, it is a great choice for a beginner starter keyboard for those enthusiasts who are trying to get into the hobby. The Portico is the hot swap PCB. It is gasket mounted and it is very easy to assemble. One of the few drawbacks of this keyboard though is the placement of the USB-C connector, and I would probably prefer it to be on the left or right, and the fact that it is not recessed kind of bothers me. Also, some of the manufacturing defects include the badge at the back. It is slightly lifting on one side. Probably could just remove it and re-glue it back on. And other than that, there are a little bit of scratch marks on the FR4 plate themselves, but it does not mess with the quality as it will be hidden underneath the keycaps. But other than that, the TKC Portico is a great starter keyboard for those who are trying to get into the hobby. It is very sturdy. It has a little bit of that flex to make it for a softer typing feel. With its 7-degree typing angle, polycarbonate case, and gasket mounted style and FR4 plate, it is a great board, and I would recommend getting this board if you want to get into this hobby. Anyways, if you do enjoy the video, please hit the like and subscribe, as I do post once or twice a month. Check out my vlogs, and we'll see you guys next time.